Have you ever gone to a doctor and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry. Today, you'll learn simple and confident English for real-life doctor conversations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English for Everyone. In today's lesson, we will learn how to speak English at a doctor's clinic in a very easy and practical way. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your problem, understand the doctor, and speak confidently in English. Let's get started. First, let's learn some common sentences you can use to tell the doctor how you feel. I will say each sentence, and I encourage you to repeat after me. I am not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a fever. I feel dizzy. I have a sore throat. Great job. Here's a helpful tip. Use the phrase I have to talk about your problem. For example, I have a headache or I have a cold. It's simple and clear. Now let's move on to the doctor's common questions. It's important to understand what the doctor might ask you. Listen carefully. What's the problem? How long have you been feeling this way? Do you have any pain? Are you taking any medicine? Here is a tip for this part. Listen carefully and answer in short, clear sentences. You don't need to give long explanations. For example, if the doctor asks, "How long have you been feeling this way?" you can simply say, "For 2 days." Now, let's put it all together in a simple dialogue between a patient and a doctor. Listen to how the conversation flows. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What's the problem?
I have a fever and headache.
How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Okay, I will give you some medicine. Take rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor. See how easy that was? The tip here is to keep your sentences simple and polite. You don't need complex words to communicate effectively. To help you even more, let's learn some useful vocabulary. Knowing these words will make your conversation with the doctor much easier. Try to practice these words daily. Fever. A fever is when your body temperature is higher than normal. Headache. This is a pain in your head. Cough. That is the sound you make when you force air out of your throat. Medicine. This is what the doctor gives you to get better. Prescription. A prescription is the doctor's written note for your medicine. Rest. This means to relax and sleep so your body can heal. Finally, here is a pro tip for your confidence. Are you ready? Don't worry about perfect English. Focus on clear communication. Even simple English is powerful. The doctor wants to help you, so just say what you feel in the simplest way you can. So today, you learned how to speak English at a doctor's clinic. Simple sentences, useful questions, and a real-life dialogue. Practice these daily and you will feel more confident in real situations. Remember, a little practice goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English for Everyone. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Before we go, here are a few questions to help you reflect and practice. Take a moment to think about your answers. What will you say if you have a fever? How will you answer, "How long have you been sick?" Can you create your own doctor-patient dialogue? Which new word did you learn today?